If you're watching this video concurrently, you would know that this is assignment 6. This is the second problem. And we are going to keep on plugging along. ABC and DBE. So this symbol means that the triangles are similar. Similar. So that means we know that they're going to have proportional sides. So the big triangle is ABC. And this side is X in pink. Pink is such a fun color. And DBE is right here. That matches with this side. And then CB is right here. And remember, BC is the entire length. It's 18 plus 6, which is 24. 18 plus 6, which is 24. And then we have BE that matches it, which is 6. So I'm going to set it up. It's going to be pink, blue equals pink, blue. And X for pink, and then the entire length. BC is 18 plus 6, which is 24, equals pink, 4.5 over 6. And then we just cross multiply and divide. Butterfly, butterfly. So it's 6 times X, which is 6X, and then 24 times 4.5, which equals 108. And last step, divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6. And you get X equal to 18. Pretty cool, huh? Very, very cool. Let's look at a couple of these word problems. Trisha has a miniature replica of the Empire State Building. So I'm going to draw this. The Empire State Building, that's like my little building. That's not a great building, but that's what it looks like. Looks kind of like a bug, is 10 inches. So that's the length. I'm going to show that the length is 10 in blue. 10 inches tall, and the height of the observation deck is 8.3 inches. So the observation deck is right here, and then that is the height of its observation deck is 10 is if the actual, the replica is 10 inches tall, and the height of its observation deck is 8.3 inches. The actual height of this, okay, so how I'm reading this is that the observation deck is part of the 10, so it's 8.3, and then to set up our, the actual would be the entire, I just dropped my pen. Honestly, the pen just disappeared and I cannot see it. So weird. So I'll just use a marker. So then the actual height is 1454, and then the little observation deck will be in pink, and that's the X, and that's what we're solving for. So to set up my proportion, I just have to make sure I match my colors. Of course, I just lost my stupid pen, so let's use this. It's going to be pink, blue, pink, blue. So I said my pink for the mini is 8.3, and then the height is 10, and we don't know what the pink for the original is, so that's X. And then the height is 1454, and then I cross multiply and divide. I multiply 1454 times 8.3. 1454 times 8.3 equals 12,068 and 2/10, and then I divide by 10, and I get the observation deck to be 1,206.82. This was a weird problem because, just to let you guys know, I was having difficulty with this problem because it says that the replica is 10 inches tall and the height of its observation deck is 8.3 inches. So, was that 8.3 added on to the 10 or was it a part of the 10? I was very confused. This is how I solved it, and this is how I read the problem, and this is the answer I got. If you read it a different way, please tell me in the comments, and I'll try and see it, but this is how I read it. Let's look at Ruth. Ruth is at the park standing next to a slide. Ruth is 5. Here's Ruth. Little pigtails, little bow. There we go. Hi, Ruth. Ruth is 5 feet tall, and her shadow is 3 feet. Little Ruth is shadow, 3 feet. The shadow of the slide is, so now I'm going to draw the slide, and the shadow is 7.5 feet. What is the height of the slide? I can set up a proportion. Ruth's height is 5 feet. Shadow is 3 feet. And we don't know height of slide, x, but we know the shadow is 7.5 feet. And then we can cross multiply and divide. 5 times 7.5 and then 3 times x. Well, 5 times 7.5 equals 37.5, my bad, equals 3x. Divide by 3. And divide both sides by 3. And I get the height of my slide to be 12.5 feet. I hope these were helpful. Again, please look at Trisha has a miniature replica, and if you did it a different way, please respond in the comments. Thanks so much.